Let's learn some colors name: pink color, sky blue color, gray color, purple color, brown color, black color, orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. Thanks for watching.